Hello everyone, before we dive into advanced stuff, it's important to understand the basics. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a basic overview of AI concepts like machine learning, deep learning, NLP, GenAI and LLMs. Let's grab a seat, here we go.
Now first of all, let's talk about machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI which provides machine the ability to learn automatically and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed to do so. So here basically machines are fed with data so that it can understand patterns within data to predict the outcomes. Now there are many areas where machine learning is used. Let's talk about them one by one. First is YouTube recommendation engine. Every time we open YouTube, we get videos which we are interested in. Now second is Amazon Alexa. Everybody know about Amazon Alexa. Third is Google spam filter. Google uses machine learning to mark whether a message is spam or not. And the fourth one is weather forecast system to predict the future weathers, like whether it will be rain tomorrow or not.
And that is how machine learning works. First we train our machine by feeding data to it. Then we build a model out of it. Then our model give predictions, and based on the prediction accuracy, we rebuild our model till we get the accuracy we want. Let's move on to our next topic, which is deep learning. Deep learning is a type of machine learning inspired by the architecture of human brain. And there are some topics which we must know before understanding deep learning. And their topics are neural networks, loss functions, activation functions, metrics, and optimizers.
There are three types of deep learnings: ANN, CNN, and RNN. Let's talk about ANN, which stands for Artificial Neural Network. ANN work with tabular data, or we can say text data. Example of ANN are regression and classification problem, which we saw in machine learning. Classification problem is like we see an image and tell whether the image is of cat or dog. And in regression problems, we do predictions by analyzing data, like whether it will be rain tomorrow or not, and whether Virat Kohli hit century in next IPL or not. Other deep learning type is CNN, which stands for Convolutional Neural Network. CNN work with image and videos type of data. Example of CNN is image classification, object detection, and facial recognition. And last one is RNN, which stands for Recurrent Neural Networks. RNN work with the sequential data, and in RNN the order of data matters.
Let's check it out this graph. Here we can see as we increase volume of our data, the performance of machine learning model get improved. But after a certain point of time, the performance get constant. But in case of deep learning, the performance of model directly proportional to volume of data. That means the more data we feed to our model, the better performance we get, because it is inspired by the architecture of human brain, and human brain become expert as it learns more and more about anything. Let's move on to our next topic, which is NLP, natural language processing. NLP is neither algorithm nor model. It is a text processing technique that converts huge text into vector numerical representation, which can be passed to machine learning or deep learning model for predictions. As we can see in the picture below, we have the huge text of Amazon reviews, which we pass to NLP for text processing. NLP that convert that text into vector numerical representation and feed it to machine learning or deep learning model for predictions. Here our goal is to find the whether review is positive or not. There are many real life use cases of NLP, like sentiment analysis. which is used to analyze the sentiment inside a text. Another one is sarcasm detection. The last one is text document summary, which is used to convert the last text or document into a short summary. Let's dive into our final topic of today, which is LLMs and GenAI. LLMs and GenAI both are used to generate data, but LLMs only can generate text data. It takes text as input and gives text as output. But in case of generative AI, it can take any form of data as input and give output as in any format. Latest version of ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Grok, example of GenAI. Today's explanation of AI concepts. Hope it made things clearer for you. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more straightforward AI concepts. See you in the next one. Take care.